Today we're going to learn how to multiply two fractions and use an area model. So I have three colors and we're going to start with the fractions 1/3 of 1/4. So in math language you have to remember that the of always means multiply. So let's go ahead and start with our 1/4. Let's go ahead and draw that. So if we have 1/4, I'm just going to make an area here, divide it into fourths. They don't have to be perfect. So this is going to represent our 1/4 right here. 1/4. Next, we need to break the area model into thirds. So we kind of have to go sideways on that. So there's 1/3. Here's 2/3, and that would be 3/3. So we're going to get a different color for our 1/3. We're going to call this 1/3 because it's 1/3 of that 1/4. So the next piece is, how many are there? So when we look at it, that 1/3 of 1/4, it's the area that's shaded by both colors. Well, we have one of them, but now how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is our new denominator. And if we check that out here, we know that we're multiplying 1 times 1 equals 1, 3 times 4 equals 12. Cool, huh? So let's look at it with a different set of fractions. Let's do another one. This time we'll find 5/6 of 1/2. All right, so this time we have to think about it. So we're going to take our second fraction here. We're finding 5/6 of the 1/2. So the first thing we start with is that 1/2. There we go, 1/2. Gonna color it in right here. 1/2. Now we need to break the area model into sixths. So here it's in thirds. Break them in half again. We should have sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. We need 5 of them to be shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/6. So now let's go ahead and count our spaces again. So this is the space we're looking at for our numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are shaded in out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 of 12 are shaded in. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 2 is 12. So multiplying the fractions, you can use the area models, or you can just multiply straight across. 3/4 times 2/3. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 3, 12. Sometimes you have to simplify. 3/6. Sometimes you have to simplify again. 1/2. Boom. There you go. Multiplying two fractions using area model.